Okay, guys, so identifiers. Identifiers are just name given to functions or classes in Python. We will use function and classes. Further, I will explain it, so no need to worry. Identifiers are just like variables in other languages like C. It's just names, and it we in Python we have some rules to write it. Just like it can be a small a, capital A, it doesn't matter, 0 to 9 underscore, it doesn't matter. It can be anything, but it should not start with any number as it will be invalid. We can use a number in a variable but not start with it. Let me show you. Uh, just write var1 is equals to, this is valid. It's just showing for global. No x, no, I mean, no error is showing. We can just write print var1. To the show no error, just print the output 2. See, now var1 is identifier. So var1 is valid, but one var will show error. Just like invalid syntax. As you cannot start with a number, you can use a number in between or anywhere in Python, but you can start with it just like var underscore 12 underscore ale. You can write this, but you cannot start with a number. There will be no error. Sorry. Okay, it's just a space in between. Yeah, you shouldn't put spaces in between. Yeah, here it comes two. Then keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Like if else, they would not, just like print. I cannot assign anything to print as it's a keyword variable. It is coming in a highlighted word, highlighted color, so I cannot use it as a identifier or a variable. And there is one more rule: special symbols, just like exclamation, at the rate, hash, that also we cannot use in a variable or identifier. It shows you simple invalid syntax. In Python, it's very easy to read error as it mm, just tells to the point what is the error, just like invalid syntax, something like that. So thank you. Next we will learn further. In next video we will learn further in Python basics.